Ocean Riviera Paradise is a relatively new resort located on the Riviera Maya seafront. This resort benefits from multiple swimming pools, one of which is on the beach itself. The resort has over 900 rooms and is about 45 minutes away from Cancun Airport. If you have any questions about the hotel or have any tips on how to make this video better, let me know down below. The reception is a large circular, open-plan space with an impressive skylight giving the reception plenty of light. The room options are one king-size bed or two double beds. However, there is an option to get an extra bed using the sofa in the living room that can be converted into a bed. The rooms are decorated in a fun and sophisticated vibe with a nice combination of retro and glam. The amenities included in the rooms are flat-screen TVs, free Wi-Fi, a safe, air conditioning, a free minibar, and coffee makers. The room balconies come fully furnished with a table and chairs. The bathrooms are clean and trendy with a colorful tile design. They have toiletries, hair dryers, and separate showers with a rainfall shower head, and a bathtub in some. The restaurants are all different in design, but each feature the same pattern of decor, an airy atmosphere, hanging lamps, fun tile elements, and often beautiful ocean views. A quick note is that every restaurant, except for the buffet in Route 66, need a reservation if you don't want to wait. Open from 9 AM to 11 PM, Mike's Cafe is a coffee house where you can get barista coffee and tea with some lovely snacks. Right next to Mike's Cafe, you have the ice cream parlor. It has a huge selection of flavors and toppings to choose from. At this resort, there's never a drink that's too far away, as there are bars located at every point of the resort, from the lobby bar at the entrance all the way to the beach bar by the sea. Sprinkled in between, you will find swim-up and themed bars. The lobby bar is a large circular bar with plenty of drinks to choose from and a smiling bartender ready to serve them to you. Nearby, there is also a piano bar that hosts the karaoke sessions. In the resort, there is a sports bar to watch all the big sporting events that then also doubles as a nightclub. Right on the beach, by the foot of the sea, you will find the beach bar that provides refreshing drinks so you never have to be out of the sun. With a grand total of 5 pools, there's plenty of swimming and lounge space for everyone. The pools each have their own vibe and offer you a different experience in each one. This is the children's pool with its water park area. Perfect for the younger travelers in your family, the water park area includes slides, sprayers, and a large climbing area. Around the pool there's also the Daisy Pool Bar for drinks that is designed with kids in mind, and adjacent you will find the Daisy Snack Bar. The El Beso pool is the resort's adult-only pool, with the lifeguards making sure that no kids or teenagers sneak in. The pool has a swim-up bar and a snack bar right there, so you never have to go far for a bite to eat or a cocktail to enjoy. The privilege pool is reserved for people staying in the privileged section of the resort, and is the only pool that isn't open to all guests. There is no snack bar, but they do have a swim bar full of wonderful drinks to choose from. The Eden pool is the closest pool to the beach besides the one actually on the beach. This pool has a swim-up bar and a snack bar close by that serves custom crepes. This is the pool for fun times, good music, and awesome views. This is the amazing beach pool. It is located right on the beach and provides an unparalleled view of the sea. There is a beach here, however, it has plenty of sharp rocks, so to enjoy it properly, you would need water shoes. There's an amazing wood fire pizza shack on the beach, so if you're enjoying the sun, you'd never have to leave for lunch. Right at the central plaza, you will find the Despacio Spa Center, where you can switch off and enjoy a lovely massage by a team of professionals. Within the spa center, you will also find an indoor pool, sauna, and jacuzzi. The gym is spacious and well lit, with plenty of equipment for cardio and weights. Some of the notable features of this resort is that you will find a children's play area by the kids' pool, or that there's even a bowling alley next to the sports bar. There's even a teen and mini club to take care of the kids while you get some much needed rest. For the ones that want to practice their tennis, there's plenty of tennis courts and multi-purpose sports terrains available. Some of you may want to go shopping or try their luck at the casino. Well, this resort's got you covered, as right next to Mike's Cafe, they can be found. And finally, for those that come to the resort for the entertainment, there's a theater where the entertainment teams puts on shows every night with different themes and styles. Thank you all for watching another Project Paradise video. Please leave a like if you liked this video or found it useful or helpful in any way, and if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Please subscribe, as I release a new video every week about another vacation hotel.